Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 29, 2021. This is not financial advice. We're going to go through three of the other cryptos I cover. I did another three earlier. These three are called Quant. The second one is called Origin Protocol. The third one is called Fetch.ai. So let's go through Quant first, one that I really enjoy looking at. This so Quant US dollar pair, we are still over this line, which is exactly what we expected. A little bit of pressure here, but nothing compelling. So we're bounced back off of it. We're over at the 285 range. We were as low as 268, but the support line right now is around 274. Let's move forward into the Quant Bitcoin pair. Again, we're slightly under pressure here below this support line, but we're gonna have to watch this thing play out. I don't expect Quant US dollar to take a dump here. Probably stay up above that line. I think this thing's just going to kind of go sideways for a little bit. Let's go over to Origin US dollar. Again, another one that just goes sideways, one of the many. And again, over the next day, I expect this to go sideways as well. We're 74 cents right now. Origin Bitcoin, certainly starting to curl back, so we're starting to see it level off here. So I expect again sideways action in Origin Bitcoin. Let's go over to Fetch US dollar. I just did the video earlier because I figure I'll put it in with the rest of the pack here. So definitely catching a bid. This one particularly had a nice bounce off that resistance line that we already knew about. And talked about yesterday, but we didn't know it would bounce up this high. It was actually a pretty nice bid there between the 67 level. It got as high as 77. Good for 14-15% boost. Has since pulled back. We're around 75 and change. Very interesting. It really wants to get over this area here. Now going over the Fetch Bitcoin pair, we're still in the middle of the road here, so no telling which way we're going, but I can tell you a couple things about Bitcoin here. Now, Bitcoin's been catching a bid. A few things about Bitcoin that are different than what we've seen. Let's take a look at this. Number one, we're breaking this line. This line is definitely being broken here. So, a little hard to say if we're going to go up. I think we could be doing one of these up to here and then start petering out. It's not that we haven't seen that price action before. So, looking over here, we broke that line, that midpoint line over. So, it doesn't surprise me that we'd be popping over that line. It doesn't tell me though that we're on our way all the way up through this resistance block, so to speak. Now, a couple of other things. So with Bitcoin, again, sideways in my view. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance, which is also kind of strange here. What I've just noticed is today is that the Bitcoin dominance pair is actually going up whilst we see Bitcoin US dollar going up as well. So it's starting to tell me that maybe the fear aspect is starting to reverse here. Look, we were just at 43,000 minutes ago. Now we're at 43,654. The turning point could be happening now, but again, I got to stick with the technicals here. It looks like we're going sideways, but this is one of those signals that make me feel like there might be a reversal happening right under our noses. So we got to keep our eye on this. It's again, usually this has been used for us as a fear gauge over the last several weeks, now turning into something that's kind of bullish. So anyway, we'll have to keep our eye on this particular Bitcoin dominance price action. But in the meantime, Quant's at 286, Origin's at 74, Fetch is at 75, and I'm going to bed. Have a good night.